Short notes on the flowing. A. Apothecium, B. Perithecium, C. Cerathecium, D. Ascospores. Here are short notes on the flowing. Requested topics in uh, requested topics in uh, requested topics in mycology BSc level. A. Apothecium cup fungus. D. Cup fungus and definition. An open saucer cup or cup shaped scocarp-fruiting bodies found in Ascomycetes discomycetes and discomycetes इसके बाद फिर discomycetes structure ऐसा हमें it has a wide opening and expose the fertile layer hyponium and directly to the air at the maturity इसके बाद air at the maturity. The structure generally consists of a hyponium upper spore bearing layer and hypothecium, the hypothecium bearing layer and layer below the asci and layer below the asci and exopulum and exopulum exopulum का चले exopulum outer the outer supporting wall. SK arrangement. The SK are arranged parallel to each other and often interspaced with sterile hyphae called paraphyses. इसके बाद फिर spore discharge. Spores are released simultaneously or in move or in when the asci are arranged. When the asci shoot them in the air. Example: Pagisia, Morchella, or Morals. Perithecium definitions. Flask shaped perithecium, flask fungi and flask shaped fungi and flask shaped fungi and often closed fungi. Closed often shaped flask shaped fungi and closed often ascocarp with a small pair of colloids, with a small pair of release, with a small spore at the with a small pair of at the release, with a small with an open spore or release. Top spore at release, top spore release. Sellage, इसके बाद फिर top spore release. Structure basically arranged in a layer, arranged in a layer and basically arranged in a layer at the base inside the flask and the base inside the flask is base inside the flask. इसके बाद क्या चाहिए? Inside the flask, the apical opening is called the ostiole है ना, ostiole. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं? And through the ascocarp through the ascocarp release. and it has often it has often it has often it has often here fine canal culpary faces. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं culpary faces. Characteristics hyperesthesia can be found informally. Hyperesthesia can be found informally and embedded in a mass of hyphae called stroma. Example का है neurosis and क्लेफ्लिस अवकाश दिया हुआ है सर फिर क्लेफ्लिस एक्सलेरिया हाँ अवकाश सेलिथेसिया है ना सेलिथेसिया तो सेलिथेसिया का बोलते हैं डिफिनेशन का है द completing closed and the spherical and the spherical and the completing collage and the spherical floating bodies escocarp or special enclosed outside special enclosed in outsides specials closed in outsides. उसके बाद फिर क्या हाल हुआ स्ट्रक्चर देश की आर स्कैटर्ड irregularly within the internal cavity or in an organized layer उसके बाद organized layer इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ना हलवा the wall periphery is thin and often ornamental with appendage and spores are released and only upon the decay ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए किसी को only upon the decay and distinctions and mature of the cells. And examples Penicillium, asparagus and Ericef, Maldives Maldives. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं इससे एस्कोस्कार्प definitions. Ascospores are produced endovenously within a sac-like structure called asces and a plural asci. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं origin है ना origin क्या दिया हुआ है सर origin through the process meiosis followed by meiosis after the fusion of a hyphae called an Ascomycota इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं क्या दिया हुआ है सर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक नलाई कैरेक्टरिस्टिक का जो है सर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स का अलग सर particularly at sporus are produced and spores are produced the excess the spores are involved and the spherical pair the spores are the Hapfold nuclei the spores are spherical oval and like the non-acellular and unicellular septate unicellular septate है ना unicellular septate. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं सर unicellular septate है unicellular septate. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं सर लास्ट में क्या चाहिए unicellular septate ना unicellular septate. इन सिल्वर सेप्टेट और लास्ट में क्या से बोलते हैं क्या हल है इन सिल्वर से गलत नहीं है ठीक है इन सिल्वर सेप्टेट इन सिल्वर सेप्टेट क्या चाहिए लास्ट में क्या चाहिए सिग्निफिकेंस they are the primary they are the primary they are the spores spores are dispersal and survival of the release survival of the release and upon germinating then release into the axis and germinating from germinating for a new mycelium. Summary table of Aspargus. Type safe opening स्कोमाइसाइटस थे ना पेरिथेसियम कप सेप्ड ओपन पैराथाइसम हाइमेनियम एक्सपोज्ड एपोथेसियम पेरिथेसियम बोटल शेप्ड ओसिटियोल और बसल लेयर और क्या बोलते हैं से एपोथेसियम वो हले ना एक बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से वो क्या चाहिए सिलेथेसियम क्लोज लेयर क्या बोलते हैं से नन क्लोज नहीं सिलेथेसियंस क्लोज लेयर नन और क्या बोलते हैं से स्कैटर्ड आंसर कंप्लीट।